The LeapFrog Insurance Innovation Circle is a fantastic opportunity to hear from our portfolio companies about some of the insights and learnings they're getting from working in the market with our emerging consumers. And for our investors, it's gold dust. It's a wonderful opportunity for them to really feel and hear and see what's going on in the markets. This meeting was all about digital opportunities in the emerging markets, and we had a fantastic array of speakers.
Globally, we are now entering an era where messaging is the primary interface. So actually, there are Facebook and WhatsApp groups in Kenya with 40 to 80,000 farmers on. And this informal transactional behavior is massively outperforming formal trading platforms.
In emerging markets, if you really want to reach a huge number of people and for things to be scalable, it has to be digitized and it has to be using this device.
We then saw from Beamer and Jumo how quickly digital natives, real digital businesses, are just growing at a phenomenal rate.
70%, in some cases up to 100% of the subscribers in our markets have mobile phones today, have access to a pay-as-you-go top-up channel within a couple of meters of their house. But only 2% of them have insurance. How can we use this channel to close that distribution gap?
So we now have technology that can link financial services partners to MNOs and ultimately to the customer on the other side. So we become a technology layer which has two core competencies. One is technology and two is data. So we take crazy amounts of very unstructured data, turn it into algorithms that predicts who should be targeted, offered what price and what loan amount.
We then heard from what I would call one of our digital adopters with All Life.
So when our founders sat down and they said, this looks like an opportunity, how do we go to market? It's quite obvious. HIV people need insurance, they'll talk to somebody, they'll come to us. It doesn't work like that because of a thing called stigma. So our founders had to set up a business to talk to the customer directly. You should try and develop a model that allows you to continuously track and fine-tune your offering depending on the client's behavior choices, so that you can actually separate out the good and the bad risk without having to take a one-time bet at the outset.
We heard from the Gates Foundation, Janine Firpo, and she was giving the perspective of how you try to change a whole digital ecosystem.
You can't just think about the products as products. The products themselves have ecosystems. So if you think about digital credit, having a better interface is probably really important. Having an ID is essential.
We've seen in any digital channel, everyone focuses on the product, but the process is almost more important. Process innovation of matching a product to a USSD interaction, which can be no more than 120 seconds, is challenging.
Technology itself can help you to enable faster registrations and a much more efficient payment channel.
All in all, I thought a fantastic day, a real arc of different conversations, different perspectives on the same issue about digital opportunities, and it was an altogether inspiring day, but I think has left us all buzzing with excitement about what can be possible and looking forward to the next one.